Welcome to EDU World Space.
Solving part A of this problem. So in x direction, you can write the value of fx as fx is equal to f sine 30 degree, which is equal to 500 sine 30 degree, that is equal to 250 Newton. In y direction, you can write the value of fy is equal to f cos 30 degree, that is equal to 500 cos 30 degree, which is equal to 433.012 Newton. Now you can write the value of resultant force R is equal to under root fx square plus fy square, which is equal to under root 250 square plus 433.012 square, which is equal to 500 Newton. Now the direction of the resultant force is given by theta is equal to tan inverse Fy by Fx, which is equal to tan inverse 433.012 by 250. So you will get the value of theta as 60 degree. So going forward and solving part A of this problem. So in part A, taking moment along point B, So you can write a expression for MB is equal to Fx multiplication 175 minus Fy multiplication 300, that will be equal to 250 multiplication 175 minus 433.012 multiplication 300. So it will be equal to minus 86153 Newton mm. So you can write this value as mb is equal to minus 86.15 Newton meter. Now going forward and simplifying part B of this problem. So taking moment at point B. So let the vertical force at the point A is Ra, at B it is Rby, and at B horizontal force is Rbx. So you can write the next expression as or Ra multiplication 125 minus Fy multiplication 300 plus Fx multiplication 175 is equal to 0, or Ra multiplication 125 minus 433.012 multiplication 300 plus 250 multiplication 175 is equal to 0. Finally, you will get the value of Ra as Ra is equal to 86153 by 125, that is equal to 689 Newton. Now you can write the horizontal force at B. Rbx is equal to F sine 30 degree, which is equal to 500 sine 30 degree, that is equal to 250 Newton. And the vertical force Rby is equal to Ra plus F cos 30 degree, which is equal to 689 plus 500 multiplication cos 30 degree, which is equal to 689 plus 433.012, that is equal to 1122 Newton. Now finally you can write the value of resultant force R is equal to under root rbx square plus rby square, that is equal to under root 250 square plus 1122 square. So it will be equal to 1150 Newton. Now the direction of the resultant force is given by theta is equal to tan inverse RBY by RBX, which is equal to tan inverse 1122 by 250, that is equal to 77.4 degree as the answer. I hope you understand it.